So hello and welcome. So I'm going to manage this recipes using the Passo POS. So we're going to use American burger as an example. So under these are happening under product management. As you can see, product management, product list, search for the item, double click on it, other details, then we start adding the recipes. So I have prepared a list of them. So we're going to add some. So for lettuce, let's add two of them, 2 leaves. So every time you sell this item, you have also to consume cheddar cheese. That is in grams. Then next is beef. We'll do 0.15 grams over kg. That is over kg. Then the other one is black pepper. We'll do that quantity. As you can see, we have the costs at the bottom, total costs at the bottom. That is coming to 133.512. So that's the cost of producing that item. So I'll go back to my counter stocks to check on the balances, because I had already received some stocks for this test. So under non-stocks, we have these items. As you can see, black pepper at 19.990, cheddar cheese at 49.9. And now we are going to see how the movements work. The stock movements work. Every time you sell, we need to deduct from this counter, our non-stocks. That's the kitchen non-stocks. So let's go and do a sale. In most cases, the sale starts from the waiter point, or the service point. So I have my password wrong. Let me just input the right one. Then I'll choose the department, kitchen department. Then do a new order. For this case, add the item. I did a test, so we can do again another one. Kitchen menu, then starters, then American burger. Let's do 2. Okay. Then you can add more item, but for this case, let's just print out these, and we'll have the virtual printer printing that. So we have our order ready. It's being prepared in the kitchen. As that continues, we can go back to our back office and see what happened once we did the order. So restaurants, counter stocks, non-stocks. So non-stocks is what the chef has. And so this is what you can see. So we have a pledge quantity. For black pepper is very small. For cheddar cheese, it has 0.100. That's 100 grams. And for the other items, as you can see. So the pledge quantity is what is being prepared. So still not has still not gone out. So to complete this transaction, what happens is the cashier needs to confirm that the payment was done. So we are jumping all to the payment process. So I'll log in the cashier. I have all the orders. As you can see, I just have one. Click on it, start the payment process. So the system lists all the payment options. We have the cash, we have mobile, you have check, and all that. Depending with their business, we shall activate what your business uses. So for this case, the customer used cash to pay. So I'll just input 2,000 Kenyan shillings there and confirm that that's okay. As you can see below the shillings, we have the balance or the change to be given to the customer. So would you like to print this? Yeah. For this case, I just have the virtual printer. So that's what you're seeing behind printing. Now we are done with the payment process and the transaction has been completed. And that marks the end of that process. So let's see what happened once you pay, because the process completes. Now we go back to our non-stocks. And as you can see now, the balances are different. The pledges are gone. And that confirms that you can manage recipes using Passo POS. Thanks a lot for watching.